morning, this is Anissa from Boutique Niche Marketing. I'm just here to introduce myself online and to let you know a little bit about where I'm from. I live in the Fraser Valley in a small town, well, we call it City in the Country, Abbotsford, BC. And I run a small company called Boutique Niche Marketing, and I help small businesses implement their PR and marketing plans. I also hold a meetup group, a marketing mastermind group through meetup.com, and you're welcome to come out and do that. We review marketing plans, look at how you can implement and find more of your best customers. And as well, I have two websites. The marketing coaching is done through Boutique Niche Marketing, and that is communicationstudio.ca. And if you're looking for our free 7-day marketing boot camp, then that is hosted on socialsitetonight.com. Look forward to hearing from you. If you have any questions, you can contact me at info@communicationstudio.ca or through one of the websites. Take care. Bye-bye.